welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a fall night routine. I just posted my fall morning routine, so I thought it was only fitting to do a fall night routine. I love routine videos and I love the fall, so I thought it'd be super fun to film a fall night routine. I feel like the evenings are kind of like the best part of the day, especially during the cozy kind of months. Looking for a way to kind of like spruce up your night routine or just kind of get some fall inspo. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below the best part of your night routine. Let me know if I'm missing something, if there's anything I should add to my night routine. I really hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into it. My night routine kind of begins when work ends. Once I'm done filming, editing, whatever I need to get done that day, that is kind of when my night routine begins. It usually starts with dinner. Now that I've kind of finished up work, as you guys saw in the intro, let's just make some dinner. I'm gonna make this delicious soup. I actually saw a TikTok and it just looks so good. I've been craving a yummy, creamy kind of fall soup, so I thought this would be perfect. I'll let you guys know how it tastes and if it's easy, and I'll put the recipe down below. Let's just get started with dinner. Actually, before making dinner, I'm gonna change. This cardigan is so cute, and I just know I'm gonna spill something on it. It's also wool, so it's like impossible to wash. I just know I'm gonna spill something on it if I wear this sweater while I'm cooking. Soup is done. It doesn't really look how I thought it was gonna look. It doesn't look as good as it looked in the TikTok. It does still look good. So I'm gonna do a little taste test just to make sure I don't need to like add anything. Okay, it is really good. I'm gonna top it with some Parmesan and some red pepper flakes. That'll add a little bit more flavor, but it's definitely really good. Very cozy, very flavorful. You guys how the soup tasted. I have this other recipe. It's like an Olive Garden recipe, although it actually tastes nothing like Olive Garden. It's like way better. That gnocchi soup is literally probably one of my favorite meals ever. This had some tough competition. This soup was really good, but it wasn't as good as the other gnocchi soup that I like. So it was like good, but not as good as that one. So I would rank it like 6 out of 10. The other one's like 10 out of 10. It was good. I probably wouldn't make it again just because I like the other one a lot better. I'd probably make that one. They're so similar. Although this one does kind of have different flavors. It was good, but it wasn't like anything groundbreaking. I'll put the recipe down below. It was like a good, cozy, yummy fall soup. I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen so I can wake up to a nice clean kitchen tomorrow. And I also have a fun little sweet treat. Let me show you guys. Pumpkin cookies. These are just like the Pillsbury cookies. I love the Pillsbury cookies. I love the chocolate chip, the seasonal sugar cookies. I had to pick up these pumpkin cookies. I love anything pumpkin. Anything pumpkin is just so good. But I couldn't decide, like both of these look so good. This one is pumpkin spice, and then this one, pumpkin with cream cheese chunks. I think I'm just gonna make both and do a little taste test, see which one is better. Since this is like a fall night routine, if you guys want to pick one of these up, we can see which one is better. up. The pumpkin cookies are all done. I have the 2 different ones to taste. Here's the first one. This is the pumpkin spice. And then we have the pumpkin with cream cheese chips. Let's taste the pumpkin spice first. This is really good. The pumpkin spice is probably gonna be my favorite. Now let's taste the pumpkin with cream cheese chips. Maybe I like this one better. After tasting both of them, I think I like the pumpkin with cream cheese chips better than the pumpkin spice. They're both really good. And I'm just gonna take my makeup off, do some skincare, and just kind of relax and watch Gilmore Girls. Skincare's done, contacts are out. This is the last part of my night routine, actually going to bed. The last thing I like to do before going to bed is just to kind of plan out my day for tomorrow. Wake up and kind of already know what I want to get done. So sometimes I'll just like look at my digital calendar and type out a to-do list of what I want to get done. Sometimes I'll even kind of schedule out my day. That's pretty much the last thing I do, and then just set my alarms. That is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this fall night routine. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment below the best part of your night routine, something you like to do to just kind of relax and unwind during the evening. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.